talk about the tools you must have for when we repair your business. In this video, we will talk about only those portable lightweight tools. So I hope you can enjoy it. If not, that's not a big deal. The first one, when you open the mobile phone, you need a screwdriver. We have all kinds of screwdriver, but I like this one. It had the logo shows the bit and it can screw. And beside, I can also use this one. It has all kinds of bit. And beside, it can not only for phone repair, and I can use it for all kinds of work. I can use it to collect with a bit, or I can use this one, or I just remove it and collect the band line, and then I can reach all kinds of angles. So it's more practical than this one. So it's always a good tool in my phone repair. And then the next about section, I have 3 pack section. This one, this, and this one. And I like this one. I enjoy it. I like the section with high power, and it's hard to remove. And when I really remove it, oh look, so it has a high power. So I can remove the screw very easily. I love this one. Then about tweezers, I like the stainless steel tweezers. And this one, I also use this one. It's a straight, and with this one is the bat, so I can remove all kinds of screw very easily with this one. Then about the solder wire, I have all kinds of solder wire. This one is 0.5. I also spot it and use it with all kinds of solder wire and solder vision. And besides, this is from different brands. This is from Mechanic. Have a look. And this is from Real Life. This is the most I used tools. And I also have the finest solder connection wire, like this one. And solder paste is the essential tools for phone repair, and we also use all kinds of green oil for phone repair, and I also use the Curia lap with it. It can dry fast, very fast. I enjoy this one. This is from Real Life. And besides, I have also a Curia lap from Mechanic. You can set the time from 10 seconds to 60 seconds. And besides, it has cooling system, so it can cool very fast. I like that. Then about the digital multimeter, I like this one. This is from Sunshine, and it's powered by a battery. With a battery, so I also use it to detect the voltage, the current, and it has an overload protection. So it is most practical for phone repair, and I also use this one. It is lightweight, but it can stand like this one. It has this stand, so you can also put it on desk easily. The next is the short color. I use it because it has the adjustable voltage. So even the low voltage, so I can use it to detect the short circuit, and it can detect the voltage and the current, so it can use with this digital multimeter. And the last one is solder station. We have all kinds of solder station from I2C, Anti, and Mechanic, and this is from Asun. I like this one. It has a display, and the screen shows the 3 temperature group, and I can use it with T12, T4, T2, 45 handle, and it has the tips. I can use the GBC solder tip, so it is very practical, and besides it has 200 high power, so I enjoy it. Those are must-have tools for technician in silver repair business. I will list the link of those tools below this video. And besides, if you have any idea or any question, you can share your thoughts in our comment. Don't forget to give me a like and subscribe our channel. See you next time.